Today's video regarding HP DeskJet 1255 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and once our printer is on, we go and open the front door. So here you can see this is actually the first section which we have to open, and this is the paper output tray. Now this is the ink cartridge chamber door. You just have to open it, and you will see once you open, the ink cartridges will move and come into a place. Now you have to press it down and take it out, press it down and take it out to go and install the new ink cartridges. So it uses number 67, XL, XXL and simple 67. To install, you have to just place it in and hold the printer and push it inwards, and it will lock the ink cartridges. Just do it for the both ink cartridges, and now close the ink cartridge chamber door, and we are ready to use. Thanks for watching.